correlated with schooling, but uncorrelated with ability.
Exactly, it's correlated with schooling, but it's uncorrelated with ability. That's exactly the point. So you could have, for example, like a lottery. If the government were to say randomly decide who got into Clemson versus who did not. Because it's a lottery, it just depends on what number you got, right? And so it would be correlated with your years of schooling because you can only get a college degree if you actually get into college, right? But it's going to be uncorrelated with your ability because it was chosen by luck, like the luck of the draw. So there's some papers that look at the effect of the Vietnam draft on the returns to education. And so for folks who got see the high or low lottery number, they were excluded from the draft, right? And they were excluded from the draft just by luck of the draw. And so what you can do is you can use that as an instrument. So it's like, okay, what's the effect of, so this top term here, is this bottom term here saying, what's the effect of having a particular value of the instrument on your years of schooling, right? What's the effect of quarter break on your years of schooling, right? So how much does being born in the fourth quarter affect how many schooling you get, right? And then in the numerator it says, well, okay, how is the effect of like being born in the fourth quarter? Like, what's the difference in the wages of people born in the fourth quarter versus people born in the first quarter? And when you take the ratio of those two things, this says like, this basically is saying the change in wages for change in years of change in instrument over the change in schooling over the change in the instrument. This is kind of conceptual, right? And so you can think of the change in the instrument as canceling out of the numerator and the denominator, and you just left with the change in wages over the change in schooling.
What's that top thing say?
This is like the change in wages
Okay.
for like a change in the value of the instrument,
Okay.
divided by the change in the years of schooling for the change in the instrument. Right? So for example, if, and I think that I have it like 30 more seconds. Right. So for example, like if being born in the fourth quarter changed your wages by, let's say, 2 log points, but it changed your years of schooling by, say, 1 year, then you have an estimate of 0.2 for the returns to schooling, for example. Okay. So that is it. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the low constant game. Study hard for your test. You know what's going to be on it.